Hello, and welcome to Travel with T. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of my hostel here in Medellin, Colombia. The name of the hostel is Medellin Vibes Hostel. I will make sure to leave the link in the description box down below. If you are down there looking for the hostel, make sure you like the video and subscribe. We will be posting new videos. It's me, Solo. I will be posting videos every week on Sundays. So make sure you keep that in mind, and let's go on the tour. We've got a private room here. It is so cute, and it only costs about $33 a night, including breakfast. So here is the room. We have a nice king-size bed, and look at these lamps. They're so cute. And then over here we've got a little mini fridge, a telephone, and a large TV. And then here is the bathroom. There's a blow dryer right here. And then a nice large shower. It is wonderful. We have shown you the room. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of the common areas. One of the good things about staying in a hostel, even if you want the private room like a hotel would be in a hostel, you get all of the amenities that come with it. So come on. Over here to our left we have all of the rooms, and then down here we've got ping pong, a nice seating area. I'm gonna kick some butt on ping pong tonight. And then we have a little barbecue area down here. And then down here we have this nice outdoor barbecue area, super cute. A shower for after you go to this pool. Here we have got this wonderful pool. Hello, I'm gonna be here for days. And then just a little common area to hang out with friends and everything. There's also a kitchen, but because of COVID right now, it is sadly closed. But yeah, so there's your tour. Thank you guys for watching.